Hi, my name is James Wagstaff and I work for Nate Limited. At the moment we're stood outside our new deal that we've just sourced in a rent to SA. It's a lovely 4-storey townhouse just situated just south of Bristol City Centre. It's a 5-bedroom property and yeah, let's go take a look inside. So I got the deal through going on to Open Rent. We were looking at lots of different properties on Open Rent and we found this one. I established a relationship with the landlord, contacted them, rang them, arranged a viewing, and then we did the viewing, answered any sort of questions that they may have had, and then yeah, they were happy. We sent the guaranteed rent offer over, and then yeah, it was just sort of fairly plain sailing from there. So that's how we acquired the property. So as we walk in, we've got our downstairs hallway. Situated just in here is our shoe rack as well. We've also got a little bit of storage space for a guest book as well as things to do in and around Bristol. The property was already to a great standard, so they'd left it really nice. Now it was unfurnished, which meant that our 2-week preparation period, we had to furnish pretty much everything apart from sort of white goods and a few other sort of amenities. So yeah, and there was a bit of maintenance like polyfiller, painting, etc., just to sort of get the standard up to the quality that we wanted for the property. This is our first bedroom. It's the downstairs bedroom. It's a lovely room looking on just to the park over there. Again, yeah, really nice and clean, lovely bit of space, good bit of storage as well. So yeah, really like this room. So now we're gonna go have a little look on the first floor. So if you wanna follow me. So this is our first floor, and just to the left of me here is the king master bedroom. So if we have a little look inside. So this is the king and master bedroom. Now this is one of my favourite rooms in the house. A unique selling point is it's got a desk and an ensuite, which is superb for clients that want to come and visit Bristol. And yeah, again, has a lovely view outside the front as well. Yeah, so the property can sleep up to 9 people. We've got one master bedroom with an ensuite, which has a king size bed in it. We've then got 3 double bedrooms. Again, one with an ensuite right at the top, and then we've also got a single bedroom which also turns into a desk, so ideal for those that want to work from home if that's what they require. So in here we've got the main family bathroom, and then if you follow me in this room here, we have the study, which also turns into a single bed as well. And then in this room here we have a nice room that opens up onto bifold doors. And then yeah, we'll head upstairs now. So as I walk up the stairs here, we walk into our very open plan living room, dining room and kitchen area. Our living room, we furnished it ourselves. We got a lot of the items from, for example, Dunelm, and yeah, we really like the simplicity of it. And then behind you, we've got the dining room table. We found this on Facebook Marketplace, which was a great steal. Would highly recommend if you're thinking to maybe do it on a lower budget. We splashed out a little bit more on the sofas because that sort of thing, comfort, we prioritize in. But this we found was a great steal. And then just behind us here, we also have the kitchen, which is a nice size. And then just behind us here as well, we have a lovely decking area, which is going to be great over summer for our clients that want to enjoy the sun and maybe a barbecue or two. So last but not least, after a few flights of stairs, we're in our last bedroom. Now this room is great because it's got 4 skylights, which means on a very sunny day like today, it produces a lot of light. And we've also got an ensuite in this room as well, which, like I said before, is a nice selling point for clients that want to have a little bit of their own space. So thank you very much for coming around our house tour of our 5-bedroom property in Bristol. We really hope you enjoy it. And yeah, we're looking to potentially scale up. So yeah, we'll see what this future year holds. Thank you.